how do you keep up, meaning news content, with people that you admire? Yeah, it's simple. For me, I just follow them on Twitter. That's what I do. And never follow any politicians, by the way, because half the people won't like you and the other half will, or vice versa. You know what I'm getting at. Never follow politicians. And a lot of people do that in their LinkedIn profiles too. They follow politicians. Don't do that, please, because you'll upset some people, whatever. And by the way, before you go to a job interview or before you go to meet with a customer, I want you to go to their Twitter profile and see who they follow. Because that way, you'll be able to strike up a conversation with them if it feels natural and right about their passions. So if I go to somebody's Twitter profile and I see that they follow baseball teams, I'll strike up a conversation about baseball, which I'm very passionate about when I meet with them. So every battle is won before it's been fought. Before every meeting you have, go and look at who this person follows on Twitter. It's interesting because even when you go to really, really smart people and successful people that I respect, like Bill Gates. So Bill Gates follows about 200 people or entities on Twitter. And the only non-charitable and non-Microsoft based entity that he follows, the only for-profit company, is Udemy, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I humbly believe that in the education technology market, Udemy is Google and everybody else is Bing.